We converted this Ford Transit Connect passenger van into a luxurious camper van with everything you need for life on the road. Stepping inside, on your left, is the fridge, which features a divider that allows it to function as a fridge, freezer, or both, depending on your needs. Next to it is a large storage unit that provides space for larger items. Above that, we installed an overhead shelf, the perfect spot to store window covers and other lightweight items. A new feature in this build is this cabin divider, which separates the cab from the living space, adding privacy while also serving as a projector screen, so you can enjoy movie nights wherever you go. Here is the control for the diesel heater, allowing you to warm up the van with the touch of a button. This passenger van came with the moonroof, making it feel bright and open in the space. For air circulation, we installed a MaxxAir fan, which comes a remote control so you can easily adjust the settings from anywhere inside the van. On the side of the cabinet, we placed several important controls. Here, you'll find a light switch that is also dimmable, a USB outlet, a 12-volt outlet, a standard house outlet, a switch for the battery heat pad, a button for the inverter, and a meter which allows you to monitor how much solar you are producing and using. Underneath the bed is where the flushable portable toilet is located, keeping it tucked in but easy to access when needed. Next to it, there are 4 storage baskets, giving you plenty of room to keep your belongings organized. Now moving into the kitchen, our client wanted an iPad mount which allows them to work remotely from inside the van. Above that, there is a shelf for kitchen storage for utensils and pantry items. Below, we included a pull-out table where you can dine or work from. Underneath the table is a large drawer designed to store bigger kitchen essentials. At the bottom of the cabinet, we house the electrical system, keeping all the wiring neatly organized and easily accessible. Next to it is an additional cabinet, along with the cabinet above, leaving you with plenty of space to store your items. Here you can also access the water filter, making maintenance simple. In the sink area, we installed a swivel faucet and a mini farmhouse-style sink. Press the pump switch and you will have running water. This faucet extends, making it easy to rinse off outside. On the side of the cabinet, we added switches for interior lights and exterior lights and to dump the gray water tank, so everything is within easy reach. For added convenience, we included a reading light with a built-in USB port, perfect for nighttime use while also allowing you to charge your phone or other small devices. Setting up the bed is quick and easy. Just grab the strap, unlock the drawer slides, pull it out, and gently lower it into place. When you're ready to switch back to couch mode, simply reverse steps and you have a comfortable seating area once again. Heading to the back of the van, we installed a pull-out table, giving you the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee while taking in the views. On the exterior of the van, we added exterior lights which illuminate your campsite at night, a shore power hookup allowing you to plug in and charge your battery, and a diesel fill port for the heater, making fueling simple. Through the side door, you can access the portable toilet for easy servicing. And just below, you'll find the gauges for fresh water and diesel tanks, allowing you to keep your eye on your levels. This is also where you can fill up your fresh water tanks. At the front of the van, the client opted for a light bar, adding extra visibility for nighttime driving. We also installed a 100-watt solar panel and the MaxxAir fan. To finish off the exterior, we added window deflectors. We hope you enjoyed the tour. Please visit our website if you would like to build with us.